This is in my backyard in Memphis. This is just a cool sight. I had to make another video. I know I've made several about Jupiter and Saturn, but every time I see this, to me it's just such a cool sight. These two beautiful planets close together in the sky, which is very unusual. So I was out back here and I saw this. And it's about 1 a.m. on June 12th, the early morning hours of June 12th, 2020. I'm not sure if you can see, but there's a tree on either side. There's a really tall tree just to the right of Jupiter, and to Saturn's left, there's a wooded area. I'm going to zoom out here and see how well we can still see Saturn. Saturn's a little bit dim without some zoom. But if I zoom up to maybe 1.5, we can see it quite well. Certainly 2 times magnification becomes quite visible. And Jupiter is 5 times as far from the sun as Earth is. The Earth is 93 million miles from the sun. Jupiter averages 500 million miles from the sun, so it's 5.2 astronomical units out. And out there, the temperature is roughly minus 200 degrees Fahrenheit on average during the day. So if you were standing on the surface of one of Jupiter's moons, those are the only bodies around Jupiter that would have a solid surface to stand on, the daytime temperature would be about minus 200 Fahrenheit. And about 5 times as far from the sun as Earth is. Saturn is twice as far out, about 1 billion miles from the sun, so 500 million out to 1 billion, or 1,000 million. Anyway, just slightly under 10 astronomical units. Don't know the exact number. I think it's 9 point something astronomical units, but either way, roughly 10 times farther from the sun than Earth is. Daytime temperature on Saturn, we'll speak for Saturn's moons because Saturn also does not have a solid surface to stand on. Daytime temperature about minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, so a little crisper out there. Too cold for life as we know it. But Saturn has a moon, Titan, which has a thick atmosphere of hydrocarbon, approximately 1.5 times as thick as Earth's atmosphere. And we've landed a probe on the surface of Titan. That was in 2005. Planning to send another one. Supposed to get there in 2034. So a little bit of a wait, but this particular probe, should it launch, would be a drone type of thing which could explore multiple regions of the moon's surface. And Titan also has been shown to have hydrocarbon lakes, so lakes of liquid methane and ethane, a strange parody of the water cycle on Earth. So there's a lot going on just these two worlds. And of course, Jupiter has 4 moons as large as ours or larger, and at least one of them is almost certain to have a liquid water ocean underneath a thick icy crust. There are plans to send a probe to the surface of Europa. That's the moon. Europa. There's multiple plans to send probes there to land on the surface and explore it. So there's a lot going on with these two worlds. Thank you for watching.